habits, just like gadgets. You tell me when